We have a vision to train and place 1,000 students a year through Highlands College. To accomplish that, we know we have to grow. In our current facility, we're maxed out. We can only train 500 students. But at Grandview, we can see the full vision accomplished. We can train 1,000 students a year in ministry. We can place them to make a difference.
As an architect and as a believer whose life has been transformed by the principles these students are learning, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us. We have the challenge and the opportunity to transform this building from what is a bit of a fortress into a beacon that has a chance to shine its light throughout the whole world. We're peeling away the facade, opening up and stripping it down to the raw materials. Then we're building it back with glass and transparency and sunlight. Then you mix in the students and faculty, and the structure is revitalized with a new and significant purpose. The result is a place that we hope is instantly welcoming, provides first-class training, a great place for social interaction, and most importantly, a place to learn about God and feel His presence. We can all make a difference no matter your walk in life. I just happen to be an architect, and I get to use my talents to make a small difference, and you can too. There's no better opportunity to make an eternal impact.
Every once in a while, it becomes a unique opportunity for us to do something that could literally be so impactful and so life-changing. But those can never be done by one person or even one group. It takes all of us coming together to make it as great as God had called it to be. And that's what I think this is all about.